See how straight that grain runs? That's what we need.
Absolutely beautiful figure on this one. It's a keeper.
Handcrafting $10,000 electric guitars.
Achieving the optimal moisture content is crucial for a guitar of this caliber. It takes 48 hours of careful monitoring in this environment.
Handcrafting $10,000 electric guitars.
Handcrafting $10,000 electric guitars. Handcrafting $10,000 electric guitars. Handcrafting $10,000 electric guitars. Handcrafting $10,000 electric guitars requires absolute precision at every step of the process. Handcrafting $10,000 electric guitars. Handcrafting $10,000 electric guitars.
Every string is meticulously tuned by hand, ensuring perfect pitch before it moves to quality control.
Handcrafting $10,000 electric guitars.